Welcome to History is More Than Just a Picture. Today, we are featuring photos from the early days of car part and car catalogs. 20 amazing vintage photos from Car Catalogs Automobile. Mail-order car parts catalogs have played a crucial role in the automotive industry, revolutionizing the way enthusiasts and professional mechanics obtain replacement parts, accessories, and performance upgrades for vehicles. These catalogs have a rich history, undergoing significant changes as technology and consumer preferences evolved. The concept of mail-order catalogs for car parts can be traced back to the early 20th century, when the automobile industry was gaining momentum. As more individuals purchased cars, the demand for replacement parts and accessories grew. Mail-order catalogs provided a convenient way for consumers to browse and purchase a wide range of automotive products without leaving their homes. In the early days, these catalogs were primarily distributed by auto parts suppliers and manufacturers, allowing customers to order items by completing and mailing an order form. They offered a comprehensive selection of components, from engine parts and body panels to specialized tools and accessories. During the mid-20th century, as the automotive aftermarket industry expanded, mail-order catalogs became more sophisticated, featuring detailed product descriptions, photographs, and, in some cases, technical specifications. These catalogs were instrumental in connecting car owners with specialized or hard-to-find parts, especially for vintage or rare vehicles. The advent of the internet and e-commerce transformed the landscape of mail-order car parts catalogs. Many traditional mail-order companies transitioned to online platforms, offering digital versions of their catalogs and enabling customers to place orders electronically. This shift expanded the reach of these catalogs, making parts and accessories accessible to a global market. Today, mail-order car parts catalogs continue to thrive in the digital age, providing automotive enthusiasts with a vast array of options for customizing, maintaining, and repairing their vehicles. With advanced search functionalities, interactive features, and secure online transactions, these catalogs remain an integral part of the automotive aftermarket industry. Overall, the history of mail-order car parts catalogs reflects the evolution of consumer behavior, technological advancements, and the enduring demand for convenient and reliable sources of automotive products. As the automotive industry continues to evolve, these catalogs are likely to adapt and innovate, remaining a valuable resource for car enthusiasts and professionals alike. If you can share more info behind the photos, be sure to share in the comments.